IMDG clarification. Explosive. Detonation can cause severe injuries, property damage, and environmental harm. Example include dynamite, gunpowder, fireworks, blasting caps. Gases. Flammable gases and ignite and cause fire or explosion. Toxic causes and be inhaled and cause health problems. Corrosive causes can cause burns and damage to materials. Example, compressed natural gas, propane, chlorine, ammonia. Flammable liquids. Flammable liquids can ignite and cause fire or explosion. Example, gasoline, alcohol, paint, thinner. Sunod. Flammable solid can ignite and cause fire. Proporic substances ignite. Spark and increases upon exposure to air. Self-heating substance can generate heat and ignite under certain conditions. Example, matches, charcoal, sodas, magnesium powder. Sunod, oxidizing substance and organic peroxide. Oxidizing agents can accelerate the combustion of other materials, causing fire or explosion. Organic peroxides can decompose violently or explode. Examples, hydrogen peroxide, bleaching powder, peroxide used in hair dyes. Sunod, toxic and infectious substance. Toxic substance can cause health problems or death if ingested, inhaled, or absorbed through the skin. Infectious substances can cause diseases. Example, pesticides, poisons, medical waste, or biological samples. Sunod, radioactive materials. Radioactive materials emitting radiation which can cause health problems including cancer. Example, uranium, plutonium, radioactive medical isotopes. Sunod, corrosive substance can cause burn, skin irritation, and damage to materials. Example, sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide, batteries. Sunod, miscellaneous dangerous goods. This substance represent a danger not covered in classes. For example, lithium batteries can catch fire or explode dry ice and cause frostbite, and asbestos can cause respiratory disease. Example, lithium batteries, dry ice, and asbestos. Mana?